Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Engineering Technology for You. If you like the video, please like, comment and share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos. So we start. In this video, we will see about basic working principle of automatic door opening system. So, what is automatic door opening system? Automatic door opening systems are used to open the door when a person comes near to the entrance of the door and closes it ere he moves away from the door or ere entering into the door. Then there are four types of sensor are used in this system: radar sensor, PIR sensor, infrared sensor and laser sensors. In this system, PIR sensor is used to open and close door automatically, which sends the infrared energy produced by human body. Then we will see their block diagram. There are timer, infrared sensor, microcontroller and supply motor. The timer is connected to infrared motor, it connected to microcontroller and it connects to the supply motor and power supply to all the blocks we see in this image. Then we will see their system circuit. There are 9 components in this system. First one are Arduino Uno, second one are 16 by 2 LCD module, third one are PIR sensor, fourth one are connecting wires, fifth one are breadboard, sixth one are 1K resistor, seventh one are power supply, eighth one are motor driver and last one DVD. The circuit connection of this system is shown in image. LCD display is used to display the status. Motor driver L293D is connected to pin 0 and P1 of Arduino for opening and closing the door. Then we will see their working. How it works. When the PIR sensor it detects any motion of a person, its data out pin will become high. As pin is connected to Arduino, it will detect high signal and understand person approaches to door. This is working of automatic door opening system. Then we will see their advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of these systems are no keys to be lost, can be locked using keypad. It gives an indication for unauthorized entry and it is totally cost efficient. Then disadvantages are it may not function properly in case of power failure. And second one are if personal identification number is somehow forgotten, the system couldn't be accessed. Then we see their application. The application of these systems are commercial buildings, shopping malls, theaters, and airports, etc. The description of this case study is posted in my blog. If you like the blog, please like, comment and share. Blog link is in description. And subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.